finished the volume of which nothing was left, save a tattered cover and a pile of dust on his trousers. Captain Old went about preparing a broth in the corner kitchen. Chopping the onion, he pressed a slice to his nose. Bliss. And despite the tears streaming down his eyes, the pungency of the freshly cut bulb brought back forgotten flavors of spicy gravy to his mind. Though he often filched onions from his neighbor, he could rarely use it for cooking. He employed onion for a different and unavoidable purpose, notwithstanding the fact that it left him smelling like a soup kitchen. His guest enjoyed the meal. He dumped pieces of moldy bread in the broth to make it softer, while Old chewed on the stringy meat, nipping absent-mindedly at the last slices of bread he had stopped. He had bartered a few bottles of safe oil for bread at the local ration shop and would have to scavenge for more now that his food coupons was gone. But right now there were more important questions in his mind. The message that had preceded the foreigner's arrival had been crisp and to the point. This man knew something, and he had wanted to discuss it with him of all people. What could this grizzled Englishman with one foot in the grave know that he hadn't figured out already? Old didn't buy the story of the lost antidote that was circulated from time to time like comic book science fiction. They will have to talk soon as his guest was rested and ready. After the meal, Henry took out his violin and played a tune which evoked visions of trees shedding their leaves